Hey everybody, happy Saturday. I am back with day 2 of Operation Let's Talk to This Camera. So yesterday I talked about the project that I was working on, which was a baby quilt. I have actually finished it. I have quilted it. I just need to wash it so it can get the crinkly feel, but here it is. I think it's really cute. It is, again, it's an original pattern that I put together. It's really quite simple. It's 2 different star blocks that are repeated over and over. I am calling this quilt Starry Duo. I do have the quilt pattern that I am working on. I should be releasing it soon, but I am looking for people who are interested in testing the pattern just to make sure that I have all of the instructions correct and that they make sense. I will tell you that this particular pattern, when I write it up, it will come in 3 different sizes. So this is the baby quilt. You'll be able to do like a regular lap quilt and then a larger one as well. So I will include all of those instructions and the fabric requirements for that. This one does have, so these inner stars, if you can see them, they're quite small. So, I don't particularly care for working with material that's less than 2.5 inch square, but these squares that make the inner star here are smaller than 2.5 inch square, so that was a little bit challenging. I guess I didn't show the back either, so this is the back. It is for a little boy, so the colors that I picked for this one are primary colors. So you got your red, blue, and yellow. The red is a star material, as well as the backing is a star, if you can see that. And then the blue and yellow are polka dots. So hopefully the little boy loves this quilt for many years. But anyhow, that's all I want to talk about. Oh, okay, so here's the deal. I am looking for people to test the pattern. So if you're interested in being a pattern tester for me, please, depending on where you see this video, either send me a DM, a direct message, whatever it's called on the platform that you're looking at. And if you happen to see it on YouTube, you can also send me an email, and then I'll email you the pattern. To be perfectly upfront, it's not written up yet, or at least not completed, so I hope to have it completed in the next few days, and then I will send it to you for you to test. And I'm thinking about like what would make sense for testers, right? So I think in general, I haven't seen that people who are having people test their patterns like give them anything, but I was thinking about a gift card of some sort, just so that people would have some type of compensation for doing the pattern and then giving me their feedback. So anyhow, this is Tiffany signing off. I hope you have a good rest of your Saturday. Bye.